In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get video transcription on YouTube. So if you have a YouTube video and would like to get the transcriptions or would like to copy the words spoken in the video word by word, then this is what you should do. So go ahead and identify the video. For instance, I want to get the transcription or the words spoken in this video. So I'll go ahead and open it. And here's the video. Now from here, all you need to do is to open the description section, which is this. So tap on this, more, to open the descriptions. So scroll down until you see an option called Transcript. And here it is. Then tap on Show Transcript option. So when you tap on this, you can see this transcript will open here, and here they are. And these are all the words spoken in this story. So scroll down up to the end to expose all of them. And if you want to copy any of these words, you can just go ahead and then highlight all the words and copy them wherever you want. As you can see, this is an English auto-generated transcript, meaning the video is in English. So that's how we get transcripts on any video on YouTube. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.